Hey, what's up, everybody? Bad Billy coming at you. Saturday, October 1st. It's about 11 o'clock. Wanted to run through a few pickups from the past week, basically. Last weekend, went up north to the hunting property. Stopped at the northern Walmart. And in the case, there were two Barskas sitting there that had just got marked down that day. Swooped both of those up. First 3 to 9 I picked up, and the second SWAT scope there with the cantilever mount. The tags on those, 19 bucks, 25 bucks, $61 worth of hunting licenses. On the way up, Dad and I stopped at Cabelas, picked up another box of that 40 grain subsonic Winchester, or 42 grain rather, 1,065 foot per second, a box of velocitors, and a box of Aguila for the collection that I didn't have. Also some of these American Eagle Syntech 45s, the powder coated ends on them or whatever, the specialty range ammo. Just figured I'd give them a try. And I also picked up one of those boxes that hold 22 longs, 100 rounds, plus it'll fit some fun packs in the middle. Tags on those. These items were on sale for the employee discount sale. So 636 velocitors, 381 Aguila, 551 on that Winchester, 2209 on the 45s, and that ammo box was $9.59. The other night, stopped over to Walmart Friday night after work and found 2 boxes of Game Shocks. That's all they had left on the shelf, and a box of 45 Perfecta, 674, 674, and 1544, time and date. And then after I left there, I headed over to local gun shop and picked up a stripped Aero Precision upper and a stripped Aero Precision lower. Tag on those, $69.99 and $79.99. Got something in mind for those pieces. Working on a little project. I'm gonna finally start getting serious about building some rifles and a couple of pistols. So that is that. That is all to report. Hunting season is upon us, so pretty much every weekend from here on out I'll be in the woods, be out scoring some ammo. Got the last round of golf tomorrow, and that wraps up golf season and into hunting season, ammo hunting, Black Friday, all that kind of good stuff. So hope you guys have an awesome weekend, rest of your weekend. Everybody's been out there killing the scores on the scopes and the binos and everything else. I got some more of that in the works for this coming week and weekend. So I am out for now. Take care, everybody.